Morning, everyone. It's 10 minutes to 9, and this is your pre opening comment for Tuesday, the 22nd. Okay, so again, we have no economic numbers. They're all lumped in tomorrow, so that'll be a little on the busy side. But so far this morning, Asia and Europe are both mixed. Um, when I came down this morning, we were up 78 in the Dow, up 24 in the Nasdaq, and up 11 in the S&P. Then, right before 8 o'clock, they had come in just a little, from up 78 to up 67, Nasdaq 24 to 13, and S&P 11 down to up 8. Okay, then in like 3 minutes, we had a turn sharply higher, not huge, but meaningful, where we went from 67 in the Dow to 120, and the last right now is 142. I saw no news, didn't see any announcements or anything. In the Nasdaq, we went from up 24 to up 13 to now up 48, and the S&P up 11 to up 8 to up 16 or 17. Again, no specific news or anything. Okay, earnings, lots of earnings. Dick's Sporting Goods beat top and bottom line, gave good guidance, and yet the stock is down. It closed yesterday at 106.94, has been as high as 115, as low as 102. Last is 103.90. That's down 3 or 4, or roughly 3%. Baidu, a narrower loss. I only mention it. I'm not trading it, but it is news. And it closed 94.56. Last is 96.18, up $1.62. Best Buy beat top, bottom, every metric you can think of. Thanks, Kramer, for telling me how crappy they were doing. Stock closed yesterday 70.38, traded as high as 77.25 on those numbers. Last 76.14, up 5.31 or 7.5%. Dollar Tree beat top and bottom. Guidance was a little bit on the soft side. The stock had closed 165.24, traded as high as 172, and then back down to 156. Last is 161.70, and that is down $3.55. Warner Music beat. That one is up, though, 28.83, which is a nice gain for that price stock, up $1.85 or 6.9%. And Abercrombie and Fitch beat top, bottom, good guidance. Stock is 21 and a quarter, up 262 or 14%. Carl Icahn has announced he is short GME. The stock was down 244 yesterday, 8.8%. This morning it's up 58 cents, so really not much there. And Zoom, which beat but gave soft guidance last night, the stock last night in extended hours was 75, down 664. It continues lower this morning, and the low is 72.17. Last is 73.10, and that is down 716 or just under 9%. Chart on the screen is the bond, T-bonds, and looks to me like they really are trying to consolidate down here, maybe off this W bottom, which looks pretty interesting. Not really sure, but it is an interesting looking chart, and it is doing the work. Okay, after trading 75.17 yesterday and then bouncing back to $80, oil this morning is up $1.70 at 81 71. Heating oil is up. Gas is up. Nat gas is down 14 cents after being up 51 cents yesterday. Gold rebounding a bit, less than half. It was down 14.80. It's up 6.30. The silver is a little higher, and the copper is nicely higher, up about 8 cents. Dollar is slightly lower, down 40 cents. Bitcoin is up 240. Ethereum is up 8. And as I said, bonds up 17. All right, folks, I'll be back later. Have a good morning.